Every single day, you rely on the invisible hand of the space program to keep you safe, healthy, and on time. You might not be wearing a pressurized spacesuit, but the technology protecting your body is often identical to what astronauts wear on the moon. From the scratch-resistant glasses on your face to the invisible constellation of satellites guiding your car through traffic, the final frontier is not just out there, it is right here in your living room. Today, we are going on a deep journey into 5 incredible breakthroughs born in the vacuum of space. We are talking about diamond-hard vision, the absolute mastery of fireproof survival, the atomic precision of time, the algorithms that let us see inside the body, and the light source cooling our planet. Let's see how the cosmos changed our homes. Let's start with the lenses in your eyeglasses. To understand why this is a space-age invention, you have to understand how hostile low Earth orbit really is. There is no thick atmosphere to protect you from cosmic debris or microscopic meteoroids moving at 17,000 miles per hour. In the 1960s, NASA engineers at the Ames Research Center faced a crisis. They needed helmets for Apollo astronauts. Traditional glass was the first thought, but glass is heavy and dangerous. If a glass visor were to shatter under pressure, the results would be fatal. They turned to lightweight, impact-resistant plastics like polycarbonate. These wouldn't shatter, but they were incredibly soft. In the abrasive environment of space dust, a plastic visor would become unreadable in just a few minutes. NASA couldn't afford a blind astronaut on the moon. The breakthrough was a diamond-like carbon coating. Using ion beam deposition, they fired carbon ions at the plastic, creating a thin, invisible layer nearly as hard as a natural diamond. This made the plastic 10 times more resistant to scratches than any ordinary material. In the 1980s, NASA licensed this to the private sector. Foster Grant was the first to adopt it. Before this, plastic glasses were considered cheap and disposable. Today, over 95% of all prescription glasses in the world use this space-derived coating. True technological leaps are often born from darkness. On January 27, 1967, a spark ignited in the pure oxygen atmosphere of the Apollo 1 capsule. The fire spread in seconds because the interior was filled with flammable plastics and standard fabrics. NASA vowed this would never happen again. They spent a decade developing non-flammable fabrics like polybenzimidazole, or PBI. While most fabrics melt at 300 degrees, PBI can withstand over 700 degrees without losing its structural integrity. Today, every professional firefighter's turnout gear is a direct descendant of these suits. The materials used in their jackets and gloves are the same PBI and Nomex blends developed to keep astronauts alive in an oxygen-rich fire. But it didn't stop with heroes. The uniforms of Formula 1 drivers, the insulation of modern buildings, and even the upholstery on your airplane seats are regulated by standards written after Apollo 1. We turned a terrible sacrifice into a global shield that saves thousands of lives every single year. Now, let's talk about the invisible master of our world, the Global Positioning System, or GPS. It is not just a map. It is the most complex application of theoretical physics ever achieved. It was the US Department of Defense and NASA that turned Einstein's mess into a tool. Because satellites are far from Earth's gravity and moving at thousands of miles per hour, time moves differently for them. This is general relativity in action. If NASA didn't correct these clocks by 38 microseconds every day, your GPS would be off by 10 kilometers in a day. GPS is the world's ultimate clock. Every international banking transaction, every power grid, and every high-frequency trading system relies on these satellite signals to stay synchronized. Without this space-based system, the modern economy would collapse into chaos in minutes. We built a network of atomic clocks in the sky to tell us exactly where we are and what time it is. It is a free gift from the space age to every person on the planet, allowing for the logistics and precision that define our 21st century life. Let's move into medicine. Have you ever seen a CAT scan or an MRI? The vision behind these machines came from the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. In the 1960s, the first space probes sent back digital disasters, blurry, noisy, and static field images of the moon. NASA had to invent a way to mathematically reconstruct these images. They developed digital image processing. These were complex algorithms that could identify the noise in a signal and remove it, creating a clear, three-dimensional representation of a physical place. In the 1970s, medical researchers realized these algorithms could save lives. By using NASA's digital signal processing, they could take hundreds of X-ray slices and stitch them into a perfect model of a heart or brain. Every modern diagnostic scan is a descendant of lunar math. We taught computers how to see the craters of Mars, so that today they can see hidden illnesses inside the human body without a single incision. It is the ultimate example of looking at the stars to heal the people on the ground. Finally, let's talk about the light in your house, the LED. While the basic LED existed, the space program pushed it into the mainstream. Growing plants on a mission to Mars presents a problem: heat. Traditional bulbs waste 90% of their energy as heat. In a pressurized station, that heat would cook the plants. NASA needed a cold light source. They spent decades researching solid-state lighting to find the exact light wavelengths plants need. They discovered that red and blue LEDs provide perfect photosynthetic energy with zero waste. This research into high-brightness LEDs accelerated the technology by a decade. NASA's space greenhouses proved LEDs were powerful enough to light our world. Today, the LED revolution is the single greatest tool we have for energy conservation. These bulbs use 85% less energy and last for 20 years. They are in streetlights, televisions, and smartphones. By trying to keep a garden alive in the dark of space, we found the technology cooling our planet and slashing our global carbon footprint. It's easy to think of these as separate inventions, but they are all part of a single story, the story of human limits being pushed. We didn't just invent a better light or a harder plastic. We invented a new way to interact with the physical laws of our universe. Every time we solve a problem for an astronaut, we solve a problem for a human. The extreme vacuum of space is a harsh teacher, but the lessons it provides are universal. This is the space dividend, the massive return on investment that comes from exploration. You are a spacefaring citizen, even if you never leave your backyard. You are protected by space-age fabrics, guided by orbital clocks, and healed by lunar algorithms. We are a species that reached for the moon and found our future in the process. Space exploration is not an expensive luxury. It is the laboratory of the human race. We go to the stars so that we can master the dirt beneath our feet. We didn't just find rocks on the moon. We found the knowledge to protect our lives, our health, and our environment. Subscribe to this channel to join our mission. Every single day, we explore the boundaries of technology, the mysteries of the fourth dimension, and the future of human ingenuity. Like this video to help us spread the light of science. Every like is a signal that curiosity is still alive. Tell the algorithm you want more of the truth. Until next time, keep looking at the stars, but never forget the miracles right here on Earth. See you in the next discovery.